Hey everyone, it's Melissa of Butterfly Planner. So this week is a plan with me, and since it's the week before Halloween, I thought I would use a Halloween kit. I know a lot of people have used like Halloween kits for the full month. I decided not to do that, and even though I'm gonna have extra Halloween kits now because I bought too many, but that's okay. I'm using this Nightmare Before Christmas one from Sweet Quiet Design. And it's just super cute. And yeah, I'm actually planning this out way in advance because, as you will have seen hopefully in last week's plan with me if you watched it, I have a friend in town and we are going to be doing a lot of fun stuff, but because we're doing so much fun stuff together, I'm not gonna be home to like film and stuff, so I'm trying to get it all done today. I'm just having the worst time with this washi. I'm trying to get it done today so I can edit it all and get it all scheduled. So I hope I'm having fun or had fun. I'm sure I did. Oh shoot, it's just getting worse and worse. Must concentrate. Kind of have to be a little bit careful with her vinyl because it's vinyl, the type of vinyl it is, it stretches. And next are the date covers, and these are just so freaking cute because of the little bat. I love the little bat. It's just so much fun. I don't have a lot of the stuff planned for this next week, which is probably good because I'm gonna have to do a lot of work related stuff to kind of make up for playing during the week. But it's okay. These are not going down straight. I'm trying to hurry. This is like the third video I've filmed in a row, and I'm getting hot and tired. So if my energy level is a little low, I apologize. But there we go. Sunday. So this year is so weird because of everything going on in the world. What are you doing for Halloween, if anything? Is it safe in your area to do trick-or-treating? I think we are going to do probably like something where they can pick it up and be like socially distanced and wear masks and all that kind of stuff. Because I think my nephews want to go trick-or-treating. I don't know. I don't know how people are going to feel around here, so we'll find out though. I purposely have put them crooked because I think it looks good with the whole Halloween stuff. Because I'm using this small one, I'll probably be able to use this twice. Okay. There's so many stickers in here. I think this week I'm going to put this on the bottom. The last few weeks have been putting it at the top and then, but I think I want to put it on the bottom and then grab this header for food. Does she have food stickers? She usually does. Oh, there's no like meal stickers. And I didn't pull one. Oh well, I can pull one later. It's okay. What am I gonna put up here? One of these. I'll put this purple one. Yeah, usually she'll have like a meal sticker here, but I think because it's a Halloween kit, she didn't do that. And I think I want to put this orange in between. kind of cover that up. You should see the weird face I just made. Tongue was sticking out and everything. Okay. If you have children, and you're not gonna go trick-or-treating, are you still gonna like have them dress up and try and do something, like, or nieces and nephews, that kind of thing? Like, what? I'm just like, we're super curious what everyone is doing, because it's just so, I don't want the orange next to orange. Let's do Zero. I love Zero. He's just so cute. And then we'll do this one down Saturday. I literally have nothing planned. I'm probably just gonna take a day to relax and do nothing. And then, it would be funny for the suppers. There's this sticker that says Deadly Nightshade, is to have that one there. Huh. I think that one's funny. So Wednesday, I only have like 2 things. Also, I think I want to use this one though, so that if I do end up doing anything, I can kind of cover it a little bit and not. Yeah. And then I want to put one here. Do I want to put this one or this one? Let's do this one. Because again, I'll probably do other stuff, and this will give me the room to do that. Okay, now I can actually go in and plan my stuff. So the first thing I'm gonna do is Monday I'm doing laundry. So I'm just gonna grab this purple sticker and put it here. And grab this Planning Roses sticker. I think I'm actually gonna cut her legs off because she's a little big. All shops are linked down below, so if you want to check them out. And then Tuesday I don't have anything planned. Wednesday I have a PBA call. That Planner Boss Academy that I'm doing. It'll be the first one that I can actually make. So I'm gonna put this sticker right there. And then Thursday is new releases. So I have a cat sticker, or sticker of cat. And then I recently refound my honey inked stickers, and I thought that would look really cute right there. And then Sunday is church. So let's grab this orange sticker. I actually think also, because it's 2 weeks, there is a F1 race. So I will grab something else to mark that too. Go. I have a feeling Tuesday is going to be a busy day, and I don't mind putting like a list in and then having it be for like 1 or 2 days. So I'm just going to put in a checklist here for that and go like this. Just realized she didn't put to-dos. Okay, that's okay. Okay, so here it is. I think it turned out so cute. And I'm just loving it. I can't wait to see how it turns out. If you want to see how it turns out, don't forget to check out my Instagram, which is the Butterfly Planner. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys in the next one.